Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to take a look at the GameSir T4 Pro controller. At first I bought this one to use it as a Pro controller for my Nintendo Switch, but it turns out it can do more than just that, for the half of the price of the Pro controller. So let's start the unboxing and find out. So first I would like to talk about the quality of the controller, because when comparing to the original Switch Pro controller, there's a noticeable difference that you guys should know about. The buttons are more clunky on the T4 Pro controller. The original one has a more of a soft plastic touch to it, and this applies to the rest of the controller as well. I'm not sure if this means that the T4 is less durable as the Pro controller, but time will tell. Speaking about the buttons, the T4 Pro controller has 4 programmable buttons on the bottom side of the controller. These buttons can be remapped to any button of choice. You can even program it to a triggered sequence of button presses. This means that you can program it to do a combo, for example, but the sequencing doesn't work on the Nintendo Switch. The T4 Pro controller comes with a phone holder out of the box, which is kind of a nice to have, because this controller can not only be used as a Nintendo Switch controller, but you can also use it on any other device. You can connect it to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth and use it as a gamepad. I also tried it with Samsung DeX in combination with GeforceNow. This really gave me the feeling like I was playing on a console. This was pretty nice. The controller also connects to other devices like your PC or Chromebook. The weird thing with the Chromebook was that I tried to play Roblox with this controller, because it worked on my phone. Although connecting to my Chromebook did work, and the device was recognized, the controller did not work while playing Roblox. For some reasons, the game didn't switch to control mode on the Chromebook. On the PC, however, you can connect it via Bluetooth, but this won't work. But don't panic yet, because GameSir delivers a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi receiver in the box. This receiver directly connects to the controller and you can play wirelessly on your PC with this controller. The GameSir T4 Pro works on a lot of different devices, so it's basically one controller for all. It even worked on an Android TV. I tried out Destiny 2 on GeforceNow via the TV. This was awesome. I guess this is the future of gaming. No console, no PC, only your TV and your favorite controller of choice. I really like this controller because it can be connected to almost any device because of the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas. And in the worst case scenario, you can connect it using a USB-C cable. It definitely looks great with the LEDs inside of it, which can also be dimmed or turned completely off if you prefer to. It's not near the comfort or quality of, for example, the Pro controller, but it's a great controller for the price. You could literally buy 2 of these controllers and still have some spare cash over for the price of one Nintendo original Pro controller. I'll leave the link in the comment if you want to order one for yourself. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.